How to fix Facebook verification code not received. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Facebook's verification code not being sent or you not receiving it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you might have already taken is you have just tapped on the forgot password or something like that, whatever you need the verification for. After that, you typed in your number and then you just waited for the code. So yeah, if you just waited for the code, the reason why you have not yet received it is because you not having a strong internet connection has made your Facebook slow. So that means that you will need to have first a stable internet connection. For that, head over to your Wi-Fi section. You can head over to the settings and then you can disconnect and try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Doing that should actually make it stronger for a bit. So you can try again by sending the code again, and yeah, if you get the code, good for you. But if you don't get the code, the reason might be that Facebook has a problem in their servers, or they are just trying to send it, but there has been some issue with their process in between. So what you can do while that happens is that head over to your app store and search for Facebook. After you search for Facebook, you can simply update the app. If you find an update option right here, tap on the update button and update the app, which will improve your performance and also fix bugs, which will ultimately help you get the verification code if it has not been sent due to bugs or issues relating to Facebook. And those are the only ways that you can actually fix it. Other than that, what you can do is you can wait for a few hours, and if after a few hours you can try sending the code again and you should be getting it. And that is the simplest fix for this issue, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.